welcome to DIY Day. So today's DIY was inspired by Net and Tina here on YouTube. I'm going to link their channel down below, so thank you Net and Tina for inspiring this video. So today we will be making super cool artwork to hang on your wall using only 2 things from Dollar Tree. All you'll need to make one art is a calendar and a frame. You're also going to need scissors, of course, but you want to pick out any calendar that you like. It can be princesses or Shopkins, or it can be even landscapes. So you could do all kinds of cool art. Now, on the back of each calendar, you will have the artwork that you can see that will be on your calendar. That way you can kind of get an idea of the pictures that you like. So I saw Ariel on this one, and I love Ariel because she is my favorite princess. So that's who I'm going to go with today. Now, in order to make sure that you get the correct frame for your artwork, you want to try to find this one in particular. This is a 3-slot frame, and it has a 5x7 slot and two 2.5 by 3.5. So in order to make sure that you have the correct one, just in the store while you're shopping, just put the frame on top of your calendar and make sure it fits pretty close. Now this one is a little off, but not by much, so you want to make sure that you get the perfect frame for your artwork. That way you don't have to cut out too much of the photo. So first we're going to start by cutting out whatever photo we like the most out of this calendar. And I've already done so. I decided to pick Ariel, of course, and this is what she looks like. Now I'm going to show you how to cut it. It's super easy. All you need to do is open up your calendar and cut it at the very bottom. So you just want to cut it any way you want down here. And that's just going to give us a start to this artwork. The next thing you want to do to make sure that your artwork is perfectly centered and that it fits the frame really good is you want to take one of your frames, which I have here that's already started, and you want to flip it over, and you have these little black tabs, which I've lifted most of mine, and you want to lift all of those up like so, bloop, bloop, bloop. Okay, so we have them all lifted, and we want to take out parts of the frame that we don't need and set those aside. And there is a sheet in here that looks something like this. Now we want to keep this one out because we can use this to measure our photo. Now this is going to be the exact cut that you will need to make to get your photo to fit in the frame. So you can use this and kind of move it around to get the spot that you want. Now I want to keep on mine the words down here that say make some waves. Can you see that? So I want to keep that in my photo. So I'm going to move mine to the corner here. Now it will cut out some of her tail and hair, but that's okay. I just want to be able to see those words. So you want to line it up really well, and now you're going to cut it to size. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and get it cut out for you guys while you do the same. Okay, so as you can see, all I did was I cut off this little piece that was around here, and I got a picture. So this is how mine looks, and I think it came out really cute. It has the words in it and everything that I wanted, so that's good. Now we're going to put it in our frame. So what you're going to need to do is set your frame down with the glass side on the table. And you just want to try to fit your picture in here, and it should fit perfectly if you use that piece of paper that came with it. This one here. If you use that one to use as a guide, it should fit in there perfect. So the next thing we want to do is we want to replace our backing. You want to make sure it's the right side up. You can always switch it around if need be. And you just want to push all your little tabs down like so. Bloopy bloop bloop. So there we go. And now we have, oopsie, it's upside down. Now we have this really cute framed art. I don't know why I was putting it in the sky like this, but There we are. Isn't that super cool? And you can see the words still. This is super fun, guys, and it is super cheap. That way you don't have to spend a lot of money in redecorating your room. I really want to do all the Disney princesses, but for now, I just made this one just for you. So make some waves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.